going to be opening, what is it, Mom?
Wispy Walker.
We're going to be opening a Wispy Walker, and the date says, I'm going to say, okay. It's 2018. And the box looks old, but it really isn't old.
Yeah, like maybe we thought it was a little maybe faded, but then when I look at it closer, it actually does look really new. So now
we're gonna open it.
Open the box. We're just gonna pause for 1 second.
Yep.
And then I want to do movie magic. Go like this.
Boom. What?
It's okay. I probably messed up the movie magic part because it didn't do the little beeping thing. So you were like kind of paused for a second. Okay, your turn. Say boom.
Boom.
Okay. Grace is not wearing pants because that's just how she rolls. So, okay, we got her out of the box. She is a Wispy Walker, and it says if you hold her hand, she walks with you.
If she really does.
But we're not going to do all that in this video. We're just checking her out. So tell me about her.
So I named her Flowers since she has all these flowers all over her dress, even her shoes.
Grace, please stop hitting your sister with your doll. Please be careful.
Even her.
No. Okay, and we just had to pause for a second because, as you saw, Grace was getting a little crazy.
Yeah, and she came with these blue shoes that you could put on and off.
Grace's and her shoes.
Mine are pink with blue bows on them. And hers
Sorry,
are silver.
people. I'm like not the best cameraman, and Grace is
You mean
shaking my arm.
Me not the best camera girl.
Sure. Camera person. How about that?
Yeah. And anyways, this is her out of her shoes.
Let's see.
This is her.
I'm taking a video.
This is how she is without the shoes on. I think we could always get some more American Doll clothes.
I think she might be taller than American Doll.
Oh yeah, she is. But we need to find some clothes for her.
I wonder if she fits in like regular baby clothes.
Yeah. Michael.
Let's check out her eyes. She has very pretty eyes. Can you bring her closer? Okay. It's hard to get the real color on camera, but they're really pretty, like teal color.
Yeah.
And she's got her hair in a top knot. A little bun thing. Very cute. And these little bangs. Her hair is very cute. She's very cute.
Okay, we're gonna end it right here.
Okay.
We're gonna end it right here because I just want to do an unboxing video of me and Grace's doll.
Let's show Grace's doll a little bit better. Here's Grace's doll. Grace, what's her name? What's her name, Grace?
I named my flower.
Yeah. Grace, what's your baby's name?
And she cannot wear shoes inside of the house.
That's right. All right. Thanks for watching.
I hope you had a good time watching this video. If you liked it, click the bell. What else is it? Give it a big thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Please. Say bye.